ASX 200 up about 1% this morning. US technology stocks did particularly well last night, including Tesla, which rose almost 11%. Aussie tech stocks today have been the best performers. The tech index is up about 3%. Oil prices surged overnight as well by about 3%, and the oil sector, our energy stocks, they're up 2% today as well. So it's a good start to the market. We've had some company news from Rio Tinto. The chief executive, Jean-Sébastien Jacques, is under a bit of pressure here to resign from his position a few months after his business demolished the Juukan Gorge, which is in the Pilbara, culturally significant site for a lot of Indigenous people. The activist group GetUp has flown an aircraft over Rio Tinto's office in Brisbane earlier this morning, calling for Mr Jacques to resign. The Rio board told investors a couple of weeks ago that Mr Jacques and two of his senior staff would have their bonuses docked for this year, but a lot of people have been saying that's not enough, including environmentalists, members of the media and people in the business world. So there's a bit of pressure on Rio today. GetUp are claiming the Rio Tinto board is meeting today, and that's why they've done this stunt with an aircraft. And in other news this morning, retailer Myer has reported its full-year profit results. As expected, it had a tough year due to COVID-19. It had to close about 60 of its stores. Its revenue fell about 16% during the year to $2.5 billion, and it has reported a statutory loss after tax of $172.4 million, which is its second largest loss ever. The previous loss was in 2018 was $468 million. So it was a tough year for Myer. The good news from their result, though, was online sales did rise about 61%, and that can be expected with so many people at home. The company did not pay a dividend, Tom.